Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS general test step by step. First, it's crucial to understand the test format and scoring criteria for all 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, set a realistic study schedule, perhaps dedicating 1 to 2 hours daily, and identify your target band score. Finally, gather official IELTS preparation materials and practice tests to familiarize yourself with the question types and time constraints. This foundational work is key to a successful preparation journey. Now, let's focus on mastering the listening and reading sections. For listening, practice active listening with diverse English audio sources like podcasts or news for at least 30 minutes every day. This helps you get used to different accents and speeds. In reading, develop effective skimming and scanning techniques to quickly locate answers within the 3 passages. Remember, you have 60 minutes for 40 questions. Also, consistently expand your vocabulary by noting new words and their contexts. This will benefit all parts of the test. Moving on to the writing section, which consists of 2 tasks. For task 1, familiarize yourself with the various letter formats: formal, semi-formal, and informal, and practice writing on common topics like complaints or requests. Aim for at least 150 words. For task 2, which requires at least 250 words, practice structuring essays with clear introductions, body paragraphs, and conclusions. Focus on improving your grammar, punctuation, and ensuring coherence in your written responses to achieve a higher band score. Finally, let's discuss the speaking test, which lasts between 11 and 14 minutes. Engage in daily conversations to improve your fluency and pronunciation. For part 1, practice answering common questions about yourself and your interests. In part 2, develop ideas for various cue card topics and practice speaking for the full 2 minutes without hesitation. For part 3, practice discussing abstract ideas related to your part 2 topic. Remember to speak naturally and express your opinions clearly to demonstrate your English proficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.